Hi, I'm Louise McSmith, Network Rail's Project Manager for the rebuild of Troon Station. We're here today on site to see the progress of the building of the new station. As you can see, the steelwork has arrived on site and we've started the process of erecting the steel frame. It's really exciting because it's the first phase that really sees the building start to take shape and come out of the ground. We're making great progress on site with contractors working day and night on this steel frame. Following completion of the steel frame, we'll move on to the external blockwork and then begin the concrete pour for the building's floor slab. We're progressing well and on target to complete the building by the summer.